Hello and welcome to Noble Learners, an online tutoring platform spreading knowledge. Today we are going to solve this question. Given a parallelogram ABCD, there is the bisector. So first of all, I am making the diagram. This question has been taken from the book of grade 9th mathematics, SABIS International School. So let us solve this question. There is a parallelogram. So I'm going to make a rough sketch of a parallelogram. So here, this is the parallelogram. So this parallelogram is ABCD. This is not looking like a parallelogram, but manage. This is just a rough diagram. And here there is the bisector of angle ADC. That means the bisector of this angle and bisector of DCB, this angle. Okay. They are meeting at point M. So let us draw the bisectors. So these are the bisectors and they are meeting at point M. This is my point M. Okay. You must be knowing what are bisectors. Bisectors are the lines which is dividing the angle into two congruent angle, into two equal parts. So if suppose this is angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3, this is angle 4, I could write angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. I could also write angle 3 is congruent to angle 4. Why? Because the lines are bisecting these angles. Okay, that is the reason. So I have written that thing. Now the question is saying you need to show that this angle is a right angle, DMC. So first of all, what I'm going to do, if you will see carefully, I told you in the previous lectures where I was solving these questions of your book, I told you all the properties. I told that adjacent angle, that means neighboring angle, successive angles, consecutive angles in a parallelogram, they are supplementary. That means I could say that this angle and this angle, they both are equal to 180. That means their sum would be equal to 180. I can write like angle D plus angle C is equal to 180. Now try to understand. Angle D could be written as angle 1 plus angle 2, and angle C could be written as angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180. Now the next step is we need to find this angle, okay, DMC. So here I need to take the angles of this triangle. Now try to understand. Can't I substitute angle 1 as angle 2? Can't I write angle 4 as angle 3? Because angle 1 and angle 2 are congruent, therefore I could write angle 2 instead of angle 1 because they both are equal to each other. So instead of angle 1, I am writing here angle 2 because angle 1 and angle 2 both are the same thing ultimately. Then again there is angle 2. Why I am writing angle 2? Why I am not writing angle 1? Because I need to deal with this triangle. There is the angle DMC and there we have angle number 2. In same way here we have angle 3. So angle 3 I will leave as it is, and angle 4 I will again substitute as angle 3 because angle 4 and angle 3 are equal to each other. That would be equal to 180. So angle 2 plus angle 2 would be 2 angle 2, and angle 3 plus angle 3 would be 2 angle 3. As you are adding, x plus x is 2x. In same manner, angle 2 plus angle 2 is 2 angle 2. Angle, then you are adding y plus y is equal to 2y. In same manner, angle 3 plus angle 3 is equal to 2 angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. After that, 2 could be taken as common. Okay, as you are factorizing, so 2 is here as well, 2 is here as well. I can take that as common and I could write angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. Now I could solve this equation. This 2 is in multiplication, that will go in division. I can write angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree upon 2. So my answer would be 90. That means angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 90 degree, right? This is done. Now we are going to take triangle DMC. So let us take triangle DMC. So in triangle DMC, angle DMC plus angle 2 plus angle 3 will make 180 degree. Why they will make 180 degree? This is the angle sum property. You must be knowing that all the angles of a triangle, they add up to 180 degree. Their sum is 180 degrees. So therefore, I have written that statement. After that, I already know I need to find angle DMC. So I'll write as it is. I already know that angle 2 plus angle 3 is 90 degree. I came to know this by this equation, isn't it? So instead of angle 2 plus angle 3, I'm just going to substitute plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now, if I need to find DMC, I'm going to solve this equation. This 90 will go that side. This will be subtracted. So 180 minus 90 degree will make 90 degree. And this was the question. You were supposed to prove that DMC is a right angle, and here DMC is my right angle, that is 90 degrees. So this is how we are going to solve this question. I hope you understood this question. This was a good question. So we are going to meet with another lecture. If you want to join my private tutoring services, you can WhatsApp. The information is given in the description box. You can also comment. Okay, so thank you so much. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up.